It's feeding time for these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stingrays we have in this aquarium. The albino giant gourami, the flagtail, I think that's his name, the 3 geophagus. Where are they? 1, 2, and 3. The discus, I don't know if they're gonna eat this, but the datnoid will try. And the eel that's hiding back there. Little nose picking up. But this will be the last time I feed them all together because I'm moving the motoros. So, wanted to get it on video. That was the last time feeding. Look at this, that nose already eating for it. Smallest guy in there. But with a big energy and a big attitude. Spreading this out a little bit. Turn on the wave maker to get some of these stingrays out of the hiding spots. It'll be nice. The albino is going to town already. So are the black diamonds, except for that one that's hiding back there. We have one Motoro over here. She would go. Get out of here. There you go. Look at that. I really want that black diamond to come out of there. There we go. He's gonna come out for sure now. The last 3 pieces I had in there. Geophagus 8. I don't think he got any. Really wanting him to start the. See if he can get that one piece. Get that piece! There we go. There we go. He got the piece. I wasn't filming, but he's eating. Everybody had a piece now, I'm for sure of it. Geophagus as well. Look. Well, he's trying to get a piece, but. But yeah, this is the last time you're probably gonna see them together. I'm debating on which fish I'm leaving in this aquarium, but I know the 3 Motoros are coming out. These black diamonds are gonna stay in here, but I'm debating on moving the discus or moving the geophagus. But yeah, this is the last live feeding you see with all these stingrays in here, because they are overcrowded and I'm tired of doing water changes every day. Having all these stingrays and all these extra fish has really amped up the amount of fish food. I used to feed maybe 2 or 3 pieces of shrimp for, I think about two of them for these 3 stingrays I used to have daily, every other day actually, and then this disc. But with these guys, I've already been giving about 6 pieces of shrimp. It's not a lot more, but if you think about it, it's double what I would normally do, which I used to pay I think like $30 a month to feed these guys. It wasn't much, 30 to $50 between live food, but I'm assuming that's gonna be doubled. But it's fine, these guys are so cool and so worth it. I'm actually debating on selling the black diamonds, the 2 new ones that I just got. This pair, it's a male and a female. Look how cute this guy is. Really healthy, eating well, very active. But I'm thinking about selling them because I really went to get their Motoros. And these guys are a little smaller than I wanted them to be. I'm in no rush selling it though. So, gonna make sure I find someone with a proper home, would bought a video of their aquarium, and making sure that they're gonna go into the right place. And I'm thinking about starting price about $550 to $600. It's a little more than what I paid for, but what's it called? You get to see the fish, me picking it up and everything. You've seen the growth, you've seen them being in the aquarium, being transferred, etc. So, yeah, love my albino. Probably gonna sell those 2 and try to buy an albino. Now that would be cool. 2 albinos and 2 regulars. Perfect. Just threw in some brine shrimp for the discus. Well, mainly for the discus, but everybody will eat. They already started munching. For the discus, the geophagus, the flagtail. Basically for everybody who didn't get any of the shrimp or couldn't eat the shrimp. Even the stingrays are gonna eat it, so it's fine. Look at how cool. I mean, I really love the look of having all these stingrays in here. Unless I get like a 500-gallon aquarium, which would have to be in the basement. I had a chance, I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, I had a chance of picking up a 400-gallon plywood aquarium, I think for like 500 bucks. Price was right, I'm not even gonna lie. It was just space. Look at how cute the geophagus looks. And the flagtail. Here comes the Motoro. Down, 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 down. Comes black diamond. My original black diamonds. Here's the 3 geophagus. I'm thinking about moving these 3 when I move my Motoros. I think these 3 with those will look good. Or keeping them in here and then just moving out the discus and moving the Motoros with them. What do you guys think? I might just leave them in here, to be honest. I don't know. I'm so confused on what to do. But I'm gonna let them finish eating. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I see you in the next video.